fun. I hope you enjoy some of the things we're going to see on the tour.
As long as we stick together, we'll be fine.
Talking about concept art, we go through what does this map need? It would be cool if there was this big three-headed dragon, and then is it a red dragon or a blue dragon? Well, and it's a real fun job, and that's what I do.
But I think that it's great that you guys are here now, even though you may not be in college quite yet. I always tell students it's never too early to at least start thinking about it. One thing that I highly encourage students to do, whether you're in junior high, high school, whatever it may be, is just start thinking about jobs that you might be interested in.